Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue a sales quote from Xero account. To issue a quote, we can go through quick links and click on quote, or we can go through business and section quotes. From here, to issue a new quote, we need to click on new quote, and we are presented with a blank quote template. So if we have one of the current customers available on a list, it will be provided here. Otherwise, we can create a completely new contact. So I will select Lucy Brown. Quote date I will keep today, and expire date I can give the time frame when this quote will expire. I will say 7 days. Quote number is automatically generated or allocated by system. I can quote reference if required, and I can also change to different currency if we want to issue invoices in or issue quote into different currency. Amounts regarding tax, select one of the drop-down box provided and add an item, either completely new item, click on add here, or select one of the available from the list of items recorded. So in my case I have chocolate milk snack bars, and request is for 100 at £1, and because it's request for 100 I can add a discount of 10%. I can change revenue code if I want. In my case I will keep the same as a product snack bars, and amount would be 90. If I want, I can add terms and attach any additional files if I wish to. To save, I can click save and close, or save and add another quote, or I can send or mark as send. If I click send, you need to make sure that you have email address that you can send this quote to. So this is the information regarding quote. If I want, I can still change information in message and click send. So quote has been sent to Lucy. So when I go to quotes, I can see in sent list my quote which I just sent out. When I go to email, this is how the quote will look like, and also can see quote online, and this is how quote looks like as in PDF format. So this is the way how you can issue quotes on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.